Hello students, today I will deal with the topic that is Right to Education Act 2009. So some key points to be remembered is that every child has a right to full-time elementary education of satisfactory and equitable quality in a formal school which satisfies certain essential norms and standards. Means every child who is in the formal school, who are studying in the formal school or any school, he or she should have the full-time right to pursue his or her education in any elementary schools, or he or she can satisfy his or her essential norms and standards. Now comes the second point, that is the Constitution 86th Amendment Act 2002 inserted Article 21A in the Constitution of India to provide free and compulsory education of all the children. Means the Constitution, in the Constitution, that is 86th Amendment Act 2002, it is inserted that free and compulsory education should be provided to all the needy students, to all the needy child who is in the age group of 6 to 14 years. Now, next point, in the age group of 6 to 14 years as a fundamental right, it is also mentioned in the Right to Education Act 2009 that each and every child who is in the age group of 6 to 14 years, that is he or she should gain the benefits of fundamental rights. Now, next point, Article 21A and the RTE Act came into effect on 1st of April 2010. The title of the RTE Act incorporates the words free and compulsory education, and it is also mentioned over in the Right to Education Act 2009 that it makes the provision for a non-admitted child to be admitted to an age-appropriate class. Now, some points which RTE Act prohibits. The first point is that physical punishment and mental harassment. Second, screening procedures for admission of children, capitation fee, private tuitions by the teachers, and running of schools without recognition. So these 5 points should be prohibited from the Right to Education Act 2009. Now some few points, or we can say as other points to remember or to be kept in mind in the Right to Education Act 2009. So the first point is free education means that any child admitted in the school will not be required to pay any kind of the fee or expenses, that is the tuition fee, uniform, books, study materials, etc. Or in other words, we can say it as education should be free from anxiety, stress, and fear. The next point is that the RTE Act provides children access to the elementary schools within the defined area or limits of neighborhood. This law came into effect in the whole of India except the state of the Jammu and Kashmir from 1st of April 2000.